Hi. Hi. Um, it's Sunday morning and I am feeding the cats. This is 4 chicken thighs. This is how I cook them in water and poached in my toaster oven. They got their veg, so this is carrots and green beans, okay? And I'll cut one of these up. So here's one. It's nice and soft. I'm going to chop it up. It's all chopped up. I'm going to smush it all together like this. Then I take all the juice, not all the juice, half the juice, and I water it down, put it in a pan, and they absolutely love that. Like this. So I have 3 leftovers. I might make chicken salad out of one of them. That'd be good for lunch. I'm going to work. Okay, wait. Doing it like this so they get dry soup going out. Here they are. Wait. Here they are. That's Mr. Gray, the old man Gray. What are you looking at, boy? You see something up there you're watching? Okay, hang on. Another one. And they're looking up. Oh, back here. Okay? They're paying attention, so something's up there. Ooh, okay, later.